Hello everyone. Wanted to do some streaming here. This way at least I can go ahead and show what we're doing here in the live day trading room. Just making sure that I have... Okay, good. I don't want any distractions. I'm hiding the chat there. But this is basically the ES. I am short the ES here, and I think it's important to discuss why I'm short. Let me get back to that chart there. This is a beautiful trend line that was broken and then retested. And let's do that. And I'm still in this. So 33.06. I may just take profit at 33. I also have a consulting one-on-one trainee who is here in my home office. And so I'm also doing some training. Her name is Giovanna, and she's traveled all the way from Italy. Alright, let's take a look here. By the way, I'm just kidding. It's Argentina, which is basically like being in Italy, according to her. She lives in Italy and Argentina. Alright, so the 33.05 right here. This is the midpoint. Are we going to break or are we going to keep going? This is decisions that you face on a daily basis as a trader. I'm just watching right now. I'm short from the 33.19 area. Once again, a futures E-mini trade. And we have a lot of things that are lining up here. We have negative geopolitical news. We're talking about the virus thing. We have pattern. I want Giovanna to just, we're just doing a little testing here. So what we'll be discussing about the pattern here of why we took the trade. You wanna talk?
But you're the expert.
All right. So anyway, I'm just gonna focus on this trade right now. Alright, so 33.04. This is I'm gonna go down to my lower time frame. This is just one contract. $747. I'm up. I only took one. This here is not. I mean, this is a simulation of my real account. This says 484. I'm actually up 7 something. Whatever. It's not such a big trade at all. But alright, so 33.06. I may exit on the next touchdown of the 33 area. There's always the possibility we break, but usually it's on a retest. I'm gonna put this on mute so I can discuss a few things with the chat room here. There we go. Continuing lower. You know what I'm probably just going to do is I'll just keep this up until I exit the trade instead of putting on mute, whatever. You can just see it's this congestion area that I'm concerned with. But at the same time, I feel like I should not be getting out. If we break yesterday's lows, it's going to be a pretty big deal. I think there's some stops below there. That's going to be, should be very fast and a very aggressive move. And then we'll probably come down to something like a 32.95. And then maybe you'll see a little bit of short covering. Yesterday I took profit on $1 CAD. This is not an entertainment room where I play music and this is serious because real money is being traded, and it may not be all that exciting for those of you who just want to kind of observe. A lot of people like the feel-good trading rooms. They're talking about all the money that they made, and there's nothing wrong with that. Maybe they did, maybe they didn't, I don't know. But I like to see what is being made at the moment, whether winning or losing. Seeing it in real time is powerful. Even the losses, there's going to be losses. So right now, the move to the downside is not really subsiding. Let's see if we can get a momentum indicator on here. I don't trade S&P typically on the Mac. No, sorry, typically on this this MT4. I'm just using it because it's very easy. A lot of people do use it. But looking at different ways to show momentum and divergence, and this is a good example. It's the 4-hour chart showing clear divergence to the bottom. The 1 hour, not really. But the bars on the 5 are still staying pretty strong. We're not seeing divergence, so I'm just gonna stick with this. One moment. Had an alert here. Alright, and here we are, 33.03. I believe you'll get some short covering in this area. because of that congestion right down this area here. Okay, but the momentum, it seems, you know, so hard to say if we're going to break. Look at that. The candles today are more aggressive candles than yesterday. They seem to be, the momentum is stronger. I mean, you can just see we came down yesterday, came up a little bit, had a period where we went up, and then we just, you know, broke lower, hit that round number, which is so common, you know, to see bounces off of round numbers. I don't know why they don't discuss that in, you know, trading courses and things, but that happens. And then down here, then we bounce, retested that beautiful trend line, and now we're getting slammed. I believe a lot of the big money came in here. I'm not saying that, you know, no big money came in here, but you want to see the retest and then the move. You know, a lot of people like to see that retest. So at any rate, I'm just going to go ahead, because I'm going to end this stream. I'm just going to take this off here. Alright, so from a standpoint of our signal, it is officially ended. I took it off of here. Now, as far as my account, I still personally do have this on, and I'm going to go tend to that. And I want to wish everybody a great weekend. Okay, and definitely be vigilant out there, because the markets are getting volatile. All right, so take care, everybody, and have a good